Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. In this video we will introduce you to the new and highly requested orbit modes we have just added to Maverick. We will use as an example this fantastic sketchfab model. We wish to thank the author and will leave a link to the model in this video's description. Let's see what happens if we download and import the model using the sketchfab importer in Maverick. Let's go first to the Globals panel and disable the Keep Aspect option since we want the render to maximize the IPR area in the UI. With the Control Tab keyboard shortcut we may additionally give the IPR more screen space. Now Maverick displays a yellow dot to represent the point the camera is navigating around. By default this so-called orbit center is placed at the centroid of the scene. If we select an object, the orbit center becomes the centroid of the selection. We have added 3 orbit modes: centroid, pivot, and surface. Let's try the pivot orbit mode. In this mode we orbit around the selection's pivot, that is its origin in local space. We may change the object's pivot in the Move panel, and dock it to the center, lower end, or upper end of its object. Keep in mind that at all times, when nothing is selected, the orbit center rolls back to the scene's centroid. These first 2 modes may be insufficient to navigate comfortably, especially if the scene presents slanted surfaces. So we have added a 3rd orbit mode called surface. This mode places a temporary pivot right at the point in the object's surface where we mouse-click to initiate navigation. As you can see, this mode is extremely convenient to approach particular areas of the scene with precision. In this particular example, navigation is very challenging in the other 2 orbit modes. The surface mode allows you to hop around in the scene with precision and comfort, making camera placement easier and more intuitive. Now, to wrap up, we will enable depth of field and render a few hero images. Here you can see some amazing detail shots. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.